Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook steamed green mussel with ginger. I have 400 grams of frozen green mussel, 2 inches snap of ginger stripe, 4 cloves of garlic chop, 1 red chili, half tablespoon of song xingwai, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 stalk of spring onion, quarter teaspoon of salt. This is very quick and simple recipe. I like to start off with wash and clean the mussel. Green mussel come in frozen form, so what we need to do is to thaw it first. So now I'm going to take it out. Once you thaw it, it will have a little bit of water, so we need to wash it and clean it before we can cook it. After wash and clean, I have placed it into a steaming plate and I will be serving in this plate as well. Next, we're going to sprinkle some salt. When pouring the seasoning, make sure that it's spread all over the mussel. Pepper. Sesame oil. Light soy sauce. Song xingwai. Now we're going to sprinkle the chili. And also garlic. Some balance, I'm going to put it in the center. We put in the ginger slice. Some spring onion. I'm going to keep some for garnishing. And now we can go and cook it. I have prepared the hot boiling water here for steaming. Put in the mussel. Cover the lid. Steam it for 5 minutes. Comes up. Look at that. Very nice fragrant. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to take it out. We still have a little bit of fresh ginger. If you want, you can just sprinkle some more fresh ginger and some spring onions. Lovely. So lovely fragrance. Let's eat. Take some of the gravy. A bit of ginger. Wow, delicious. Mussel is very sweet fragrance and very chewy. It is really nice fragrance of the ginger and also the song xingwai. When eat it with rice, it's perfect. It is simple to cook and it can be enjoyed by the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.